It's almost another Taurus A56 revolver pistol with a 3-inch barrel. I'm gonna try it 7 yards. Do some self-defense headshots just to see how it does today. It's windy right now. I have to wait till my target stands up. So we'll see how I can do. It's the first time I've shot the pistol since I've owned it, so the wind's been playing with me, so we'll see here how I do. Just bear with me. 'Cause I know I can do better than that. Alright, let's try it again. The wind quit to blowing my target around. Not what I really like, but I guess it'd be good in a self-defense situation. Like I said, I'm not used to the gun, so it'd be good for camping or whatever. Alright, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you will. God bless, have a good day.